Saturday again, and another hot day in Texas. Sorry I haven't been posting videos. I've been a little bit under the weather. Haven't done as much as I've been wanting to do, but I have been working on Ecto. I got the bottom half of the bumper pretty much done. Nice and shiny. It does have a few spots that I'm gonna have to fix to keep from rusting. And I actually had to order a whole new, well not new, but new old stock top clamshell for the passenger side because the rot was just too much. And I ran into another problem. Of course, you know, I'm trying to convert this 62 into a 1959 Cadillac Miller Meteor ambulance. So a lot of these parts I'm having to modify, like the radiator support, where I almost cut my finger off, had to chop it down a little bit to make some room. Now I'm onto the bumper, which a friend of mine, which I'm gonna drop his channel right there, you go check out his project. Like I said in other videos, he's doing it opposite. He started with the front, I started with the back. Now I'm just trying to play catch up. But he's, my goodness, his car is amazing. You gotta check it out. Check out the progress. He's on YouTube also. But here's the deal. I go to mount the bottom half of the bumper. I know I'm gonna have some problems here. I already kind of knew, but I kind of felt like I felt like I was gonna be in the ballpark, and I wasn't. I was only able to get the outside bolt to line up and work. I mean, I think the bumper's pretty centered. Right here, you can kind of see it's not that far off. And this does concern me a little bit about how far, but I think I have a little bit of play to get it over to try to line it up. I haven't been around a lot of 59 Cadillacs, which I probably should like put that on my bucket list so I at least know I'm in the ballpark of where everything's gonna mount up. So I reached out to a fellow builder, which like I said, I'm dropping his channel. And yeah, he said he was only able to get one bolt in also. Leaves the question, do I cut the frame to accommodate the second bolt to put 4 bolts? Now he's running with 2. And part of me feels like that's playing with the fire because this bumper is super heavy. And you know, if one of those bolts fail, there's not a backup. So like I told him, I was gonna have a really long talk with myself, and I did. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and put 4 bolts. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the bumper mount on the frame so I can go ahead and get the other bolt in. But like I said, I'm still waiting on parts to come in for the front bumper. I POR'd the entire side. I only found one little spot right there. Basically, there was a hole starting right here. You could barely see it. I could barely see some daylight coming through. What I did was I just took some JB Weld. I put it on the inside to stop it from spreading. And yeah, POR'd the entire inside of the bumper. I still have the license plate holder to do. And of course, the little corner grill things, those are in really bad shape. I went looking around, hopefully trying to find some of the metal. And not even on Caddy Daddy did I find any. You can see these have seen way better days, and I'm gonna have to take all that off to get all these grill pieces off, clean this up, try to add some metal and repair it. The side isn't any better, and I guarantee you all the little screws are not gonna come off. So now, basically, tear that apart to rebuild it, to refabricate. I'm hoping that I don't even have to do a lot to it. I know I am. I don't even know why I'm talking about it, but I'm gonna have to hopefully not have to totally fabricate the entire piece from scratch. Like I said, I couldn't find any online, and the ones I found complete are like $600 to $700, and I'm not gonna, yeah, no, Shauna would kill me. The piece that I want to work on is this piece, and this is a really expensive grill right here. When you start looking at them online, yeah, a lot of money. But I honestly do not want to disassemble this entire grill. This thing with all the bullets, and I'm now starting to look and I'm curious, am I missing some? I don't want it fell off, but there is some missing right there. I really hope I don't have to buy more bullets for this thing, the chrome bullets. I know one fell off, but now I'm looking at it. Great. If you're going to build an Ecto, make sure to check out the Ecto Chilton. Comes in handy. So now I'm going to check this real quick to see if I'm missing any bullets on the front grille. Let's see here. And I can't tell from that picture. And Dan Aykroyd's sitting on it, I can't tell. Mother puss bucket. I am missing bullets. Son of a... And those aren't cheap as well, so I guess eBay, here I come. But I'm going to clean a little bit of that up today. There's some stuff that's over at O'Reilly's. It's Superior Chrome Polish Cleaner. That's an acid form. You just spray it on. It's supposed to clean it off. I'm hoping that that stuff works, because I honestly don't want to have to disassemble this whole grill. And now that I have to buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more bullets, chrome bullet things for the front grill, sucks. Well, make sure to check out the rest. Got a message on there for paranormal stuff, but make sure to check out the rest of my videos. I'm now starting to put things in playlists, so I can't work a lot on this today because I have stuff tonight. So make sure to check back and all that jazzy stuff. Oh, it's gonna be a hot day. I don't want to do this.